Preparing for life after high school takes a team of you, your family, your teachers and counselors, and other professionals from outside of your school all working together. If you've already checked out our other videos and pages on transition planning, youth development, and cross-agency collaboration, if you haven't yet, you totally should, then you know that your transition team should help you learn about the transition planning process, and during that, learn about your strengths, interests, needs, and work with you to set goals to make a plan to achieve them. But how about your family? What things can your school and professionals from organizations in the community do to make sure that your family members know about all the different parts of transition planning, the opportunities that are available to you, and how to help you get them? Just like you, your family has specific rights and opportunities when you have an IEP, and your transition team needs to make them active members of the transition planning process. In order to make your family feel like a leader and a part of the transition planning process just like you are, your transition team should always send your family information and updates on new opportunities that are available to you that match your goals for work, more school or training, and living independently. The idea is that if they know about these different opportunities, they can support you in participating in them. Your transition team should communicate with your family in a way that's best for them, so that might be phone calls, meetings in person, texting, email, video, whatever works best for your family. That's what your transition planning team should do. Sometimes life can be tough, and it's really great to have downtime to kind of relax and just forget the week. If your family is looking for ways to make this happen, your transition team can provide some options.